All right, let's solve here. Sine of 2 theta is equal to 1. So unit circle, first begin with that. That looks like this. And then the first angle where sine is equal to 1 is right here. So that's pi over 2 right here. Then y has the value 1. But y is just another way of saying the sine of the angle on the unit circle. So, but after that, you have to be kind of careful, you see, because you can spin and you can come back here. So that would be an additional 2 pi. Or you can spin in the same direction and come back here again. That would be an additional overall another 2 pi. It's pi over 2, the initial angle here, plus, and then you can't just say 2 pi, because it could be 2 pi, 4 pi, 6 pi, so you gotta multiply by k, and that's pi over 2. But again, even that is not enough. You gotta understand the beginning from here. You can also spin in the opposite direction this way and come back to here. You can spin in the opposite direction and come back to here. So if I went along these arrows, this would be negative 2 pi. If I went along this arrow again, that would be an additional negative 2 pi, and so on and so on. So that means this k here has to be an integer. It can be 0, positive, or negative. I hope you understand that. So ultimately, our angle 2 theta must be equal to pi over 2, and then plus this k times 2 pi, where this k is an integer. So like negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, and 2, and so on, okay? Parentheses around it so it's clear. So then you just multiply everything by 1/2 on this side, multiply by, let's see, 1/2 on this side, so this cancels, so theta is equal to pi over 4 because 2 times 2 is 4, plus this 2 cancels with that 2, and you have k pi. That's the general solution. Leave a like if it's helpful.